Chamisha Osar Mi Yodea. Who knows what 15 is? In the 15th of the Chodesh Nisan, there is a mitzvah to eat matza. In the 15th of Chodesh Tishrei, is a mitzvah to sit in the sukkah. We have a hekesh, tez vov, just like the matzah. There's a mitzvah to eat only the first night. Bo erev tochlo matzos. The same thing is with sukkahs. There's no chiyuv to eat in the sukkah more than the first night. The rest of the nights is a reshus. So the first night of sukkahs, we have to eat in the kezayis in the sukkah, a kezayis lechem, even if it rains. If it's not ke'en taduro, there's a chiyuv to eat a kezayis as in the sukkah. The Baal Amor has a kasha. We make a bracha leshe basukah anytime we eat in the sukkah during sukkahs. Mashe'enken and Pesach, we only make a achilas matzah the first night. What is the difference between Pesach and Sukkot? Why by Pesach we do not make a bracha al achilas matzah every time we eat matzah? Mashe'enken in Sukkah, we make a bracha leshev basukah every time we eat in the sukkah. There is no chiyuv to eat in the sukkah, it's a reshus. This kasha is stronger according to the Shittas Hagro, that he holds that there is a mitzvah every day of Pesach is a mitzvah to eat matzah. This is a reshus, but it's a mitzvah zaseh. That's what the Gro Paskin in Ma'aser Rav. Every time you eat matzah, you mekayim a mitzvah zaseh on Pesach. So the question is very strong. Why don't we make a bracha? At least the Gro, why didn't he make a bracha? Al achilas matzah. Every day he ate matzah during Pesach. The Baal Amor gives a teretz. There's a mitzvah of sitting on the sukkah, teishvo ke'en taduro, which means there's a mitzvah to sleep in the sukkah. How about shinas arai? To take a nap on the sukkah. There's a chiyuv to sleep in the sukkah even as shinas arai, because shinas arai is masbia. A person is satisfied. Now there's a klal that it's impossible for a person to go 3 days, 72 hours without sleeping, even a mashu. So when the Torah says you have to sit in the sukkah, means you must sit in the sukkah at least the rest of the days of sukkah. Mashe'enken Pesach, there's no chiyuv to eat matzah. You can eat meat and potatoes. You don't have to eat matzah. Mashe'enken Sukkot, you have to have the sukkah besides the first day, because it's impossible for a person to go 3 days without sleeping. So the Torah is telling you have to use the sukkah. Therefore, the Baal Amor wants to say that we do make a bracha leishev basukah, mashe'enken by matzah. 15 amos higher on the top of the mountains was the water of the Mabul. According to Rashi, it took 60 days to dry up those 15 amos. Each day, a quarter of an amma. 4 days, 1 amma. 1.5 tefach each day. A tefach is 4 etzbos. 6 etzbos each single day. An etzba has 8 seoros, 8 barley. 6 etzbos have 48 barleys. Divide by 24 hours. 2 width of a barley every hour. 1 barley every half an hour. According to Rashi, it took 60 days from Rosh Chodesh Sivon to Rosh Chodesh Av. That is 2,880 barleys of half an hour in 60 days to be able to dry up 15 amos. 15 years Abraham, Yitzchok and Yaakov lived together. Chido. The cheshbon is like this. Abraham was 100 years when Yitzchok was born. Yitzchok was 60 years when Yaakov was born. That means that Abraham was 160 years old when Yaakov was born. Abraham lived another 15 years. At the age of 175, he was nifter. Comes out, for 15 years, Abraham saw Yaakov Avinu. The Gemara says, there's a Yud in the word Ish, there's a He in the word Isha. Yud, K, is the Shem from the Rebbeinu Shalom. If the Shechina is B'neihem, it's Ish Ve'isha, and the Shechina. If not, the Shechina goes away from them. Eish, Chlosom. The one in Soite, and the Kli Yoker wants to say that's why the Mabul was 15 amos lemada from Heorim, to be miramis on this Yud and He. They were mekalkel in Ishus, Eish Ochloson. The Gabrus Hamayim was 150 days, 10 times Yud and He. The teva was 15,000 square amas. 300 by 50. In Pirkei Avos, Perek Hei Mishnah Chof Aleph, Ben Chomesh Esrei LeTalmud. 5 years he learns Mikra, 5 years he learns Mishnah, and then he learns Halacha. Talmud is Halacha, Gemara. The Erech from Nazochar, from 60 years old, is 15 shkolim. The same ratio of 15 amos in 60 days by the Mabul. Hoyu Yomim Tovim LeYisrael Chamisho Osor be'Ov. It was a Yontev of the 15th day of Ov, and the Besulos came out for Shidduchim. Why Davke the 15th of Ov? Chodesh Ov, the 15 amos of the Mayim, to wrap the 15th day of Ov, Yud Be'ish, Hei Be'isho. The Shem Yud and Hei appears only twice in the entire Sefer Torah. In Parshes Veshalach. Ozi bezimras ko vayhili lishuo ki yad al keis ko milchom Hashem b'molek midor dor. There are 4 Yomim Tovim that falls on the 15th of the Chodesh. Tishrei, Shvat, Nisan, and Ov. And there's one more, Shushan Purim. There are 15 words and 60 words. Same ratio. 15 and 60. In Birchas Kohanim, Yevorechecho Hashem v'yishmerecho, Yo'er Hashem ponov elecho v'choneko, Yisva Hashem ponov elecho v'yosem lecho sholom. Medrish Seichel Tov. The 15 doiros from Abraham till Shlomo Melech. Abraham, Yitzchok, Yaakov. Yehuda Peretz Chetzron, Rom Aminodov, Nachshon, Salma, Boaz, Ovad, Yishai, David, and Shlomo. Every day we make 15 Birchas HaShachar. הנוס מנסח בבינו, על בשרומim, בוקח עברים, עתיר אסורים, זויקף כפופים, וכאור זלמוים, מלך מצד גובר, עוזר ישראל בגבורו, עתיר ישראל בספורו, על נטילת ידועים, עמה בשיינו מעיני, שלא יסני גוי, עבד, אישו. The 15 malos in the Mikdash, from Ezra's Noshim to Ezra's Yisrael, the 15 Shiramalos in Tehillim. These 15 Shiramalos, David HaMelech said when he was digging the sheet for the Mizbeach, and he came to the Tehoim, and the water started to come out. There was a Zakonos Nefoshos, and he said the 15 Shiramalos, and the water went back to its place. Sukkah Nun Gimel Sova Med Aleph. Again, we see over here the connection between 15 and the water, just like the Mabul. It's 15 mil, 15 miles away from Yerushalayim. It's called Derech Rechoika. Then you bring Pesach Sheni. That's why in the hay of the word Rechoika, Derech Rechoika Lohoyo, there is a dat. A dat is merumas of the ois Yud, Rabba Mepano. The Yud on top of the hay is 15, Shem Yud K. 15 miles, 15 mil. Mishnah Berurah brings down that in Chof Sivan there was a minik to fast for the Zechorim and Shmone Esre, and for the Nekevas and Chamesh Esre, and 15-year-olds. Siman Tov, Kof, Hey at the end. And the Abteruf says, where is Merumas? The Tanis of Chof Sivan is the Tanis of the Gezeros Shnas Tachvetat. Yad al Keis Ko Milchom Hashem Ba'Molek. Yad al Keis Ko Merumas on Yom Kippur, Ko Yud and Hey is Yom HaKippurim. Al Keis Chof Sivan. Again we find over here Shem Yud K. Rumors of the Noshim who fast when they turn 15 years old. In Yom Kippur, Kohen Gadol was makriv 15 behemoths. Magic of the number 15. If you make a square and you put the numbers 816, which is 15, 357, which is 15, 492, which is 15, you'll be able to read and summarize number 15 any direction, putting these numbers one on top of another. Now take those same numbers, 816 to the second power, plus 357 to the second power, plus 492 to the second power. It's equal the same numbers backwards. 618 to the second power, plus 753 to the second power, plus 294 to the second power.